Hi, this is June from Planet June, and today I'm going to show you a better way to make back loop only details for your amigurumi. Working in back loops only makes a nice sharp corner when you're crocheting, but because the stitches are only connected by a single strand of yarn, the stitches will stretch open when you add the stuffing. My technique lets you make back loop only details without that stretch. However much you stretch the fabric, you still end up with a really nice neat corner from your back loop only round. If you look at the stitch you'll be working into, you'll see the usual front and back loops, but if you rotate your work forwards a bit, you'll see that there's another horizontal bar just beneath the back loop at the back of the stitch. The trick with this technique is to insert your hook into both the back loop and this back bar to begin each stitch. It is a bit trickier than usual because the back bar is tighter than the usual loops you crochet into. Then complete the stitch as a single crochet. Yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through both loops on the hook. Insert your hook into the back loop and the back bar of the next stitch. You may find you have to wiggle the hook to get it into the bar, or force the bar over your hook. Then complete a single crochet. This technique is easier if your crochet hook has a pointier, less rounded tip. If you're finding it difficult, then use a yarn needle and go into the back loop and the back bar and just pull it open for each stitch around before you start. Then when you go to crochet into them, you'll find those back bars much easier to pull onto your hook. So to recap, insert your hook into the back loop and the back bar just behind the back loop to begin each stitch, and then complete a single crochet. You can use this technique instead of a standard back loop only stitch in any pattern that's worked in both loops, with occasional details worked in back loops only.